daily chores can, how do we put it, be a chore. To simplify your daily chores, that's why us here at Ready Survival are going to give you some mind-blowing hacks that will make your daily chores easier. Number 1, cleaning the floors. Easier and more fun. For this one, all you need is your slippers and a microfiber bath mat. First, trace your slippers on the underside of the bath mat and cut them out. Get a Velcro strip and place it on your slippers as well as the bath mat and attach it. You can easily dust your floors with your feet by dancing now. Number 2, cleaning your blender. This one is super easy and makes cleaning your blender cup so much easier. All you have to do is fill up the blender with some warm water and some dish soap. Then place it back on the blender and turn it on. It'll be clean in just a minute. Number 3, scrubbing your dishes with ease. Scrubbing dishes takes a lot of elbow grease sometimes, so with this hack, you will scrub your dishes so much quicker. First, get a mason jar lid and cut your sponge on the same size. Then, close the mason jar and drill a hole directly in the middle of the lid. Then, place a long nut and bolt into the lid and secure it. Finally, hot glue the sponge to the lid like so, and you'll be able to use your drill for scrubbing dishes. Number 4, an easy way to dust your home. This one is so simple, it's crazy you never knew about it. If you want to dust your couch, your lampshades, or anything with some sort of fabric, all you need to do is simply use a lint roller. Number 5, organizing your Tupperware lids. Organizing your food for the week can be a chore if you can never find the lids of your Tupperware. All you need is a large Tupperware and a cooling rack. You can place all of the lids in between the rack and perfectly find them at any time you need them. Number 6, washing things around your house. If you have multiple things that need to be washed around the house, such as kids' toys, any hats that you wear, or even daily things you use such as your toothbrush holder, did you know that you can place all of this into your dishwasher? As long as it's heat safe, it is perfect and makes things so much quicker to clean. Number 7, cleaning your microwave. Anyone that's cleaned a microwave knows how hard it can be sometimes to get the food stains off. But with this simple hack, it'll be so easy. All you need to do is cut a lemon in slices and grab a bowl of white vinegar and place the slices inside. Run the microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, and when you take the bowl out, all of the food stains will be able to be wiped off with one small swipe. Number 8, cleaning your toilet. All you need is a liter of Coca-Cola or any dark pop that you have. Pour this onto the toilet and flush it twice. Once it's done, it'll be perfectly clean without any scrubbing needed. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!